everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my Erin Condren haul. Okay, thank you to Tori and the Erin Condren team for sending me one of the planners for review. I'm really appreciative of that. I'm so excited. It looks so awesome. So I'm going to first go over all the accessories that I received first, and then I'll go into the planner. Okay, so the first thing that I have is the Erin Condren clutch. I don't know what's going on with this clutch. It looks like it's all scratched up. Can you guys see that? Let me see. It's like cloudy. Basically rubbing the dust off it. I mean, I don't know what I would use this for. I could probably use this as like a makeup pouch. The next thing that I ordered were these sticker books, and oh my gosh, they are so gorgeous. Like, I did order the layers and the Flower Power sticker books. They're like almost the exact same. They're just obviously one's flower and one is layered. Honestly, I love floral, and I think that's like my favorite one between the two, but layers is so gorgeous too. But yeah, it kind of reminds me of like the Grand Canyon. I really like that. And if you guys didn't know, I lived in Arizona for a long time, originally from New Jersey, but I lived in Arizona for a really long time. And I also went to Grand Canyon University, so any lopes out there? Lopes up. And the next thing that I bought were these notepads. I got the set of 2 notepads, and I think they're so cute. And then I also customized it with my name at the bottom. By the way, my real name is Cindy Dale. Cindy Latruse is like my maiden name. This is now, I guess, my internet name. So I never got around to changing that. I thought this would be so great, or making grocery lists, and I'm always writing on like random pieces of paper, so I thought this is really cute. Now, the next thing that I bought is this monthly planner. I am in love with this mid-century circle design. I love that they incorporated like the gold accents to the mid-century circle designs. It's stunning. I don't really use my petite planner just because I prefer coiled planners, but the thing is, this planner is so stinking cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for just yet. I'm thinking maybe like a social media planner. I don't know, but there's a lot of note pages in the back, so we'll see. Okay, for the planners, I did get the Layers Daily Duo. I'm so excited! Oh my gosh, the reason why I picked this up was because I am definitely a lists person. I love lists, so I love that it has like a to-do section with check boxes. And also I like to block schedule. If you don't know what I'm talking about, be sure to check out Jordan Page from Fun, Cheap, or Free. She has a YouTube channel and she talks about block scheduling, and that has definitely changed my life when it comes to productivity. And I really want to try and incorporate that in this planner. The reason why I didn't like the hourly planner so much was because it lacked space for a to-do list. And I've seen people make to-do lists like on their hourly planner, but I don't know, I want it to be separate. So I'm really hoping this might be my planner piece. I really like the gold coil, especially with this colored layers cover. I think it just looks so nice together. And the other cover that I picked was the neutral layers, and it's actually not gonna stay on this planner, and I'll show you in just a moment because I did get another planner, and I got the neutral layers in horizontal. And as you can see, I got it with the mid-century circle design with a silver coil. And the reason why I did that was because I wanted to use the mid-century circle cover with my Daily Duo, and then take this neutral cover and put it on my neutral planner. And then you can also see how the neutral works with the silver coil. You know, I was thinking of it all. I was thinking of everything. It just looks so good together. Like, this Daily Duo is gonna be great for me just jotting down like all my thoughts. And then I guess the neutral planner, I would probably use it to really help me see like my full week, whereas the Daily Duo, I wouldn't be able to see my full week. And then I could like rearrange tasks or schedule out what I want to do for the week. And also, I really wanted each of these planners so I can measure them and create stickers and put that up in my Etsy shop. Now, lastly, I'm really excited about this one because I've never tried this binder system before. I did get the champagne binder. It's called champagne, but to me it's more taupey, and I got it with my last name on here because I'm thinking about turning this into a family planner, and I will have a whole video about how I'm going to be setting up this binder system and how I'm going to be using it. And be sure to have your notification bells on for that. And I got it with the Flower Power in horizontal. Again, I love the horizontal. The Flower Power is my all-time favorite. I really wish that Erin Condren would come out with a Flower Power neutral. I've always been a neutral kind of gal, but I don't know, like, the colors are really growing on me. And also when it comes to stickers, I like to be very minimal. My stickers, I want it to like enhance the page and not like take over the whole page. So I think the Flower Power is the perfect amount of design, so I can just use a pen. Maybe I might use a little bit of stickers, but honestly the design itself is so beautiful that I don't think I would have to really use stickers at all. So yeah, I'm really excited to set this up and show you guys. And then you can also see that I have some accessories. Like I got the binder hole punch that I'm really excited to try out, and also the productivity pages. I'm so excited to try these out and set it up and just, you know, share with you all of the ideas. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys!